Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you how to turn off the energy saver on this laptop. First of all, you have to right click the battery icon on the status bar, then go to power and sleep settings. Then here, scroll down to energy saver, expand this menu, and now to manually disable this mode, switch this toggle to the left. And if you want to disable energy saver at all, you have to expand this list and select never. And this way the energy saver will never turn on your computer. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.